Congratulations on taking a look at this 5-minute blueprint on how to build wealth while keeping your time. If you've been looking for a way to grow wealth without the volatility of stocks or the hassle of managing properties, this is for you. So let's talk about the problem with traditional options. Most of us have a 401k, but there is stock market volatility that we need to consider. This graph shows the last 5 years of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and as you can tell, there are some pretty wild swings in there. So your retirement savings the value can go up and down pretty quickly, and nobody really wants to rely on that. Also, high tax burdens. As a W-2, your income is taxed at the highest rates, and you need to consider whether your portfolio is working to add to your tax burden or ease your tax burden. And then, of course, time-consuming alternatives. A lot of folks look at other options like real estate, Airbnbs, single-family rentals, maybe even day trading. And those are great alternatives in themselves. However, they do take time and they can become a second job. And that really isn't building your wealth. It's making more money, spending more time. So what's the solution? The solution is passive investing in real estate. So what if you could own real estate without dealing with tenants and toilets and all of those things that come with that, and really own institutional quality properties that offer cash flow from rental income, equity growth over time. As you all know, there's only so much real estate, so the price is going to continue to climb at different rates, but still climb. Tax advantages. You want tax advantages that lower the tax burden from your W-2 income. And then finally, recession and inflation resistant asset classes. So and I don't want to get into too much detail, but as inflation climbs, so does rent, and so thereby increasing your income. So there are some ways to combat those. So why multifamily? For us specifically, it was the choice because people always need a place to live. There is absolutely a rising demand for good, clean rental housing that can provide something safe for our tenants. It's very stable. If you look at the stock market that swings on even an hourly basis, you don't have that with multifamily housing, especially when you implement a good business plan. You can really see that stability. And then apartments themselves, they produced consistent cash flow with those rentals, and it's scalable, and it offers long-term appreciation to investors. So here's how that works. When you invest alongside our team who find, underwrite, buy, and manage the property for you, the investment amount may be anywhere from 50 to 500K or more. Typically, it's at least 50K. You receive passive income in forms of cash flow, and then returns at the turn of the property. Normally about 5 years, give or take. So there's multiple ways that you have income coming in from that one investment. And then, of course, our team provides regular updates, and you don't have to do the work. And what I mean by regular is monthly or quarterly, depending upon each deal and what's necessary. And why does that matter to you? That gives you more time for your family, for your career, to go travel. It gives you the ability to do wealth building without all of the headaches of trying to figure out how to make it work. And your money truly is growing passively while at the same time offering you tax benefits, tax efficiencies that you won't get from a lot of other investment options. So if this sounds like something that might be of interest to you, take the next steps. Take a screenshot of that QR code and schedule a call with me. Be happy to dig in and see if what we do lines up with your financial goals. Thank you for watching.